What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Rayware Computers, since 1996. Okay, if you saw my last videos, I made you guys a sample of an affiliate blog, okay? And what I'm going to do is teach you how to put a menu here, okay? Now, WordPress is like a puzzle, okay? You got your header, you got your sidebar, you got your menus, okay, you got your footer. Now, if I go and make a static page like this one, I go to that page and I edit it, and all I'll see is this part here, okay? You won't see the sidebar when you edit this page. You can do a live thing, but it's tough, okay? Same thing with the menu and everything. Now, there's a couple different ways to do a couple different things in the header, okay? I chose to use the widgets, do it in the widgets, okay? So this is the footer menu, okay? It's in the widget section. You edit this. So this is footer. Let me go into the widget section. Under widgets, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to disable. If you see my other video, I'll leave the link to the video on this banner hack. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go into my widgets. And what I'm also going to do right now is I'm going to open up my menu in a new tab. Okay. Now, header add right there under widgets. Header add under widgets, whether it's on the home page or whether it's on the blog page. Okay, showing the blogs. That header is consistent. Okay. Now, back to the widgets. This is the sidebar widgets. Okay, see, sidebar. Okay. Sidebar widgets. And so forth. Okay. Now, this is footer 1. Make money online. Footer 1. Make money online. Okay. Footer 2 isn't there. Footer 3 is to sign up and get a free gift. Okay. Sign up and get a free gift. Okay. So you're getting the gist of it. So now I actually got to go and make the menu, which I already did. Okay, I made the footer 2 menu. Now, as far as making the menu, I want to add to menu. Okay, and do a custom link. Now it shows you your pages. These are pages that are there. I did this a little different, so I'm not going to use the pages. I'm going to use a custom link. So say I want to put another menu on there. Okay. Let's just say, not to be redundant, but I'll go to the download your free checklist, right? I'm going to copy that. I'm copying just the text right now. Okay. Let's go back to the menu. And I'm going to paste it here. Okay. And now I'm going to right click again and copy the link address. Now you're going to have all of these prepared. I mean, obviously before I did it here, I did it in the notepad and had them all prepared. Okay. So I just added that to the menu. Okay. So it might be a bit much. Let's see what's going on with the footer. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you want to keep everything. I mean, I'm a little anal retentive. I like to keep things neat and tidy. Okay, so I'm going to save that menu. Now in WordPress, this is the latest version. It doesn't dim out this. Okay, so it didn't really. It showed me a little thing saying that it was going to do it. But always make sure you save the menu. Okay, and I make them descriptive. This is footer 2. Footer 2. Okay, footer 2, because that's where that's going to go. So now, right here, instead of browsing all, I'm going to search for menu. Okay. Now I could do a page list, but I don't want to do it like that because this is just a bogus blog. It doesn't really have any pages. So now the navigation menu title under footer 2. Okay, so let's see where we're going. So this is the navigation menu for footer 1. Okay, so we're going to put it here, footer 2. This is the navigation menu for footer 3. So I'm going to name that, I'm going to name that because it's got a couple of these, it's got these links in it. Okay. So I'm going to go more opportunities. Okay, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to only copy the text. Okay. And I'm going to put it in the widget section that I'm going to add the menu to. Now, it doesn't take the menu's name because the menu name, okay, is hidden. Only you see that on the back end. Alrighty. So I'm going to select footer 2. Okay, and we're going to update it. Okay, and okay, boom. So now, sometimes you'll get a glitch and it might not show up, but there it is. Okay, bada boom. Now, this is a little redundant, right? So I want to take that one out of there. I didn't notice that. Paid online jobs. You don't want to be redundant, okay? So I'm going to take that out of there. And even though there's only going to be 4 of them there, it'll still look right. So now, that's the menu. Remember, the widget, put it here. But these are the menus. So I'm going to go back to the menu section. And I'm going to delete this link. Remove it. Right? Digital marketing for seniors. I'm going to remove that. Okay, now download your free checklist. Remember, in footer 2, so I'm going to save that. Okay, so let's see where we're at with that. Okay. Now, also over here, you see it says free checklist. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the menu. And I'm going to remove that one too. You can leave it there. Always remember to save. And I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, and that's fine the way it is. Now, what I want to do is, I want to take another affiliate link banner and put it here. So I'm going to pause this video and then go get a banner image with an affiliate link to put there. Alright, now we're going to go back to our widgets, right? And I'm going to add an image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image. Found an image. Okay. I found an image. Okay, now decided to go with the 728. Now it's not the brightest of images. I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to get the affiliate link that goes with this. Okay, which is Trucking Made Easy. Now this ain't exactly a home job like the site theme is. Okay, but nonetheless, it is an affiliate link. It is related to work. So I'm going to go update on that. Okay. And let's see how that looks there. Ooh, that looks tiny. What's going on? Let's go back to the widgets. So that's real tiny. I don't really want that. So we can replace that. I'm going to upload. See if we can get something a little substantially bigger. Okay, so that's substantially small. We don't want that. 250. Let's try this guy here. 200 by 200. That's a big giant one here. Let's try that guy. And we're going to move it to the center. We're going to update it. And we're going to refresh. Just want to try and open up. Well, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Kind of fits in there. Let's do one more try. I don't like to make these videos too long. I can go back and get rid of these images later. What did we do? That was 250. Let's go. Let's try and do a biggie. Huh? That's gigantic though. Alright, that's pretty big. Let's go here, 360. I think that's what I just did. Not sure. Looks a little bigger. Just want to see if I can open that up a little bit. What I call fill the room. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. It's a little awkward because there's something missing here. You know. So let's do this. How about this? We'll take and we'll fill some space in. Trucking Made Easy. And maybe that would shed some light on it. We'll add that to the menu. Right? Trucking Made Easy. We'll get our affiliate link on that guy. I'm using the keyboard, Control C, add to menu. Okay, so just so, whoops. There you go. We're going to save that menu. Did I crash it? Alright, it still looks like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so maybe we'll put one more in there to make it look even now. Let's go find a link that we don't have down there. Alright, how about recession proof secrets? Copy that. And we're going to put that on the menu. Control V. And then we're going to copy the link. Okay. And we're going to Control V again, add it to the menu. Okay, save that menu. Beef it up a little bit. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Now maybe we can get something. Trucking Made Easy. Let's copy our link address. Don't forget, geez, don't forget to put your affiliate links in. And always check your affiliate links. Check your links. Always check your affiliate links. It's ready to go. Let's update her. Okay. Check that affiliate link. Where you're going. Trucking Made Easy. This video is way too long for me. Nice. Okay. And then again, you know, not to get off the subject that we're on with the doing the WordPress menu, but always check, like up here, you see where it says my affiliate handle right there? Always make sure you check your affiliate links, especially with ClickBank. Okay, so I'm going to put my banner hack back down there. Okay, so my widgets are done. I don't need that. My menu is done. I don't need that. I do need to go back into my WordPress, so I just closed it out. You think it's easy being an old DOS geek, huh? So now let's go down to it's hiding. Okay, let's go to appearance, themes. There it is, my banner. Okay, so I'm gonna unhide the banner thing, and this video is done. See how much I can cut out in the editing. It says it's a go, and there it is again. Not too bad. Not particularly happy with this picture, but as far as anything, it filled the room. But you can experiment with it and do it the way you want to do it. Okay. You don't want redundancy in your links. Okay, even though this is Trucking Made Easy. Okay. So this is Ray, the old DOS geek. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys.